Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study chemistry for Buet. To begin, it's crucial to build a strong foundation by understanding core concepts. Don't just memorize, truly grasp the why behind each principle. Regular practice with a variety of problems is essential for solidifying your understanding. Pay special attention to the periodic table and chemical bonding, as these are the bedrock of all chemistry. Ensure you dedicate sufficient time to both organic and inorganic branches for comprehensive preparation. Now, let's talk about smart study strategies. Developing your own concise notes and flashcards can be incredibly effective for quick revisions, especially before exams. A critical step is to solve a vast number of past Buet admission test questions. This familiarizes you with the question patterns and difficulty levels. Actively identify your weaker topics and allocate extra study time to strengthen those areas. Remember, visual aids like diagrams are immensely helpful for grasping complex reaction mechanisms. When preparing for Buet, certain chemistry areas demand particular attention. Make sure to prioritize stoichiometry, thermodynamics, and chemical kinetics, as these frequently appear in examinations. A deep understanding of acid-base theories and redox reactions is also fundamental. For organic chemistry, mastering reaction mechanisms and nomenclature is non-negotiable. Additionally, dedicate significant effort to electrochemistry and the properties of solutions, as these are vital components of the syllabus. Finally, let's discuss exam preparation and mindset. It's highly beneficial to simulate actual exam conditions during your practice sessions. This helps build speed and accuracy. Effective time management is crucial, both in your daily study routine and during the actual examination. Cultivate a positive attitude and maintain consistency in your efforts, even when facing challenging topics. Regular review of all subjects is key to retaining information and preventing knowledge decay over time.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.